Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys Kitchen. Today we are going to make 5-minute strawberry smoothie. We need only a few ingredients to make this delicious smoothie. If you love the taste of strawberries, you must try this recipe. Let's move to the video. In a juicer, take half cup of milk, then add half cup of strawberries cut into small pieces. Add half banana, half teaspoon chia seeds. Juice it nicely like this. Add remaining half of the banana, 1/4 cup of milk. Juice it.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support.
Pour into a serving glass. Add 2 to 3 chopped almonds and some chopped banana on top of it for garnishing. Our strawberry smoothie is ready. Just need 5 minutes to make this delicious strawberry smoothie. If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel.